Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we are going to learn Power Platforms. I'm going to upload series of videos on Power Platforms, that is like Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agents and Power Apps. But in this series we are going to learn Power Automate Desktop. So in this series we are going to cover all the topics or comments available in the flows like message box, variables, input dialogues, clipboard, file, folder, UI automation, text, web automation, XML, OCR, date and time, so error handling, real-time scenarios, commands, flows, date and time. So everything we are going to cover each and every topic with the help of an real-time example. So parallelly, I will also upload series of videos on Microsoft Power BI, Power Automate Cloud, Power Apps, and SharePoint and OneDrive. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload new series or videos on Power platforms. And please go to playlist, and there I have created a separate folders for Power platforms. So we have a separate folder for Power Automate Cloud, Power Automate Desktop, Power BI, Power Apps. Not only the Power platforms, I am going to upload series of videos, artificial intelligence, machine learning, VB scripts, Microsoft Power Automate, and Automation Anywhere A360 UiPath as well. So please subscribe and learn tools and technologies. Um, you can choose your favorite tool or technology in the playlist. So please subscribe and go to playlist and choose your folder and start learning. So let's get started. So in this video we are going to learn Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. So today we are going to cover introduction to Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, and we will print some text by using message box. So let's get started. Let me open Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Yeah, hello guys. Now we are in Microsoft Power Automate desktop homepage. So please try to download the Microsoft Power Automate desktop app, and you can log into or register into the Microsoft Power Automate desktops. So it does not matter whether it is a business account, of organization account, school account, or personal account. So you can just log in and you can work on Microsoft Power Automate desktop. So these are all the flows which I have already created. Here you can see 2 minutes ago, 1 month ago, 2 years months ago, something like that. So if here you will be having an option called new flow. By clicking on new flow you can create your new flow, and there you can create your own custom flow. Once you click on create new flow, then it will navigate to the developer editor. So let's see. So once you click on new flow, here you need to provide the name, flow name. Let me provide first flow. So let me click on create. Once you click on create, it will navigate to developer editor. Here you can see our flow is listed in the my flows actually. So now it is currently editing mode. So it will open the developer editor. Let's see. Now we are in developer editor. So here in the left hand side you can see the actions. So here we have list of actions. So each and every action we have sub commands. So just we can drag and drop over here and we can perform the corresponding action to the package. So also we can see menu items like file, edit, debug, tools, view, help. Also here you can record the session, you can run the bot, you can pass the bot, you can save the flow, and you can create a subflow. And here under variable session you can declare input, output variable, global variable, and here you can insert UI elements, you know and you can check the properties, and you can reutilize the insert elements, images. All these things we are going to learn in the upcoming session. So today we are going to focus on display some message by using message box. So to do that, what we can do, we can just type message box command over here, and we can just drag and drop display message, or else you can um, just navigate to message box concept. So you can just expand the message box package. Here we can see different options available like display message, display input dialog, display date dialog, and display selected, list dialog, file dialog, folder dialog. So we are going to cover our message box package now. And then once we cover the message box package, so we'll move to variable concept, input dialogs, and clipboard files, folders, UI automation, like something like this. So UI input dialog and message box both are in same package. So let me paste it over here. Okay. So let's get started. So now how we can utilize the message box. So let me drag and drop message box to the flow. So once you drag and drop here, we need to provide the details such as message box title, message to displays, message box icon, message box button, default button. So here you can see variable produced, button pressed, what button you have pressed in the message box. We have different types of message boxes like okay, cancel, yes, no, cancel. So we have already discussed in Microsoft Visual Basic for application tutorials. So there we have written our own custom code to display different message boxes and their responses as well. The similar concept over here. What I'll just share the Microsoft Visual Basic for application link in the description. Please go through the code. What are all the different types of message boxes available under Microsoft? So Microsoft Visual Basic for application and Microsoft Power Automate both are Microsoft products. So the concepts are almost similar. So let's get started. Let me provide a message box title. Let's say um, first flow. This is my first flow, and what I'm trying to display, hello Microsoft, and then message box icon. So whether it is information or question or warning or error, whatever it is, so you can choose the corresponding message box icon. So let me provide an or if you don't want to provide anything, just you can leave it as none. Okay, so what are all the types you want? Okay, cancel, yes, cancel, no, abort, retry. So for the time being, I'll just choose okay. So we will cover all these topics now. So the default button, what is the default button, first button or second button or third button? Let's suppose if you have multiple buttons, something like this one, yes, no, cancel. So whenever if you click enter, it will perform the default button action. There you can choose the default button, either first button or second button or third button. We will cover each one of the scenario now. So let's me click on save. So in order to run this flow, we need to click on run button. So let me click on run button, then it should display the message box, something like say a message, sorry, hello Microsoft. Let's see. Yeah, hello Microsoft. Here we have a simple message box and we have only button that is called OK button. So we will also learn what are all the different types of icons available. So what is the use of these icons and what are all the different buttons? What is the default button we need to set? All these things we are going to learn in the upcoming session. That's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. I'm going to upload series of videos on Microsoft Power Automate Desktop.